Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a workspace that is not responding in the n8n AI automation tool. First, log into your n8n dashboard and click on the admin panel on the left hand side. In the admin panel, click on the Manage tab at the top. Then scroll down until you see Workspace status. If your workspace is unresponsive, you'll see an option to restart workspace. Click on Restart Workspace, then confirm by clicking Confirm. The workspace will now restart. This may take a few seconds. After restarting, check the status again. You should see a green indicator showing your workspace is back online. If the problem continues, you can create a support ticket right from this page by clicking Create a Support Ticket. Fill out the support form to get help from the n8n team. Once your workspace is working again, head back to your dashboard and start using it as normal. And that's all there is to it, guys. Your workspace should be up and running smoothly in no time. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching.